Hey guys, back again ripping, and in this episode we're going to have a look at actually what we can see on the Powertune digital dash and what BA, NA and NA turbo conversions will actually see on it. But before we get into that, I just want to mention that I've I've snapped my collarbone playing footy, so I'm stuck in a sling at the moment, so I'm going to try and do my best to still get content out while I can, but I've only got one arm to work with. But we still have got some exciting news coming for the Pulsar, as well as still doing some more stuff on ripping. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so here we are in the Falcon with the Powertune digital dash. For you guys who don't know what car this actually is, it's a BA XT with a eBay turbo conversion on it. So it doesn't have a turbo PCM or computer like that. So what we can actually see from my computer is you can get water temp, as you can see up on the top right hand corner there. You can also get the gear select. So it'll tell you even for the BTR 4-speed, which is what I have, you can still get the gear selection there. You can't get oil pressure and you can't get oil temp. Only the turbo models can get oil temp. You can get battery voltage over there on the left. And a lot of you guys were wondering about boost in regards to, you know, reading boost possibly off the map with this. And unfortunately, Ford don't broadcast boost through the map on the NA models, unfortunately. So that's not Powertune's fault, that's just what this ECU broadcasts. You can put it there, but as you can see on the left there, it's showing a 4 or a 5, but it's not actually going to read correctly or anything like that. So that's a bit unfortunate, but I've got boost gauges and other stuff like that, and that's not the reason I got this dash. Also, you can get intake temps, which is one of the big reasons I wanted this dash. As you can see on the top left there. Yeah, and you get RPM, speed, and I don't have the model with the GPS module, so I don't have all the rest of the stuff that comes with that. So unfortunately on the naturally aspirated computer for Barras, you can't have oil pressure, you can't have oil temp, and you can't have boost, which I know which is what a lot of you guys would probably want, but this isn't the reason I got this dash. So I'm still pretty happy with like all the, you know, all the options. It's fully customizable, and if there is stuff like that that you want to have put in onto the dash, you can add extra sensors on and add them into onto the dash and stuff like that. So it's not the end of the world. But unfortunately you can't get boost, unfortunately you can't get oil temp, oil pressure, but you can get water temp, IETs, your voltage, your speed, your RPM, and the boost reading off the map would be reading off OBD2 anyway, so it's not going to be perfect. It's going to be a little laggy. Yeah, obviously having a ZF 6-speed model, you can, in the BFs or whatever, you can actually get gearbox temp and you can get throttle position as well. But yeah, overall, Powertune digital dash, happy with it. I'm gonna play around with it and customize it some more, and maybe I'll chuck another video up of this one day. But yeah, overall, goodbye. So yeah, you'll be seeing the Falcon again soon. We're going to finish off that reverse cowl and get the new bonnet on, and we got something big in store for the Pulsar. But until then, see you later.